Good day and welcome to uh, once again I say welcome to the training on Pi design using a typical example that was sent to me. This is what was sent to me is a single story building with a bungalow at part of it, but the challenge here is it was built, it's the proposed site is a very poor, very low bearing, it has very low bearing capacity. So what we do is to create your axis line. After you've created your axis line, make sure they are all in one layer. So like this now is showing window, but we need it to be in axis line. So we'll come here, we'll create new axis line and make sure all of them are in. So we've done that. The next thing we need to do is to create the column, our columns, where we want our columns to be, and all of them must be in one layer. So columns in one layer, axis line in another layer. This is very important. So with that, we carry this and superimpose it on this other first floor, which shows that this from here cantilevered out. So it cantilevered, and some of the column terminates at the first floor. It didn't go further than that. So once we've done this, because of time, the one you sent to me is this, but I'm observing that this grid line, you didn't really get this grid line properly, so I don't think I can use this one that was sent to me, because I feel the grid line wasn't really followed properly, because your staircase must be the same position on your ground and your first floor. So what I will do is I will copy from here and use it. So that is what I will be doing. I'll copy from here to use. So I will copy that right now and superimpose it on our second floor, So once we copy, we say we'll copy and we pick it from here. Once we pick it from here, this is what we have here. This is what we'll have here. So typically this is what I will be using. So what we can do now, it will be a rough estimate of what I will be doing. So what I will do is I've done it, and all these places that their columns are not going up, I will terminate it. So I will copy this, press W, and I will name it, let's say I name it, let's say I name it Lagos Projects. Let's say Lagos Projects. Lagos Projects. Change this to millimeter and you say okay. So what you am typically doing is create this page or this drawing on its own page, so I can convert it to DXF file and import to Prota. That is what I want to do. So what I'm doing, once I click this part, it will bring this, and I change it to DSF file. New block. Okay, we say Lagos project. Lagos project, and we save the work, and you say save. Okay, so with that it will save only this. So that is what we'll be doing. So we need to open our Protas structure and import that into Protas structure. I've talked a lot about Protas structure, how to go about it, so I won't be detailed here, or you can check our other videos to get further explanation. Okay, this is after you've imported. You just have to arrange it properly. So you see you've imported, and this is what you have. So what we need to do now is to create the beam. We already have our column, is to create our beam. Our beam here, we are using 225 by 450. Let's say 450. So that is what we are creating here. That is what we are creating here. So you've done that. Do the slab. Check our previous videos for you to understand where you do not understand. That is it. We'll keep doing so. We'll finish the slab. This other side are void. We have to now create the insert roof. All this we've done all before, so we will not do all that. So the parts, this is the roof. We don't have roof on this level, so we take it out. This is what we have. So all these that terminates, the columns that terminate at this floor, I will delete them. I will delete all of them. So I've taken 1, 2, 3 out. Oh. The beams we have to change. So what you do, you create your load, edit beam wall load. Let's use 3.47. Window height 2.7, 0.23. Okay, so we are done with the modeling. Now let's go to the analysis. Load combination. This is, you check on factor there. This is what we use for the foundation. I will come here. So please check our previous videos. I've explained everything so that we can be fast. So it has finished running. We close, and we'll come to analysis, building analysis, and analysis. We say this, and this. Okay, let's run. Okay, all the analysis is finished. So what I will do here is to go to the foundation. When I get to the foundation, how do you bring out all these loads? Come to this part. We go to column, Asia. Come here. We do this. We do this. I think we should do this, and we should do this. Okay, these are your loads. These are your loads on your column. These are the loads on your column. These are the loads on your column. So this from our um, soil reports. The safe working load for the pi is 389, if I'm not mistaken. So they all fall under it. So okay, this is 3. Okay, still fall under it. All of them fell under it. So that is what we will do. So what we need to do now is click on one, right click, and you put insert PyCap. Once you do that, you give it some time to come up. Okay, before we do that, let's come to settings, foundation design setting. All these are our general. Then if we come to PyCap, this is what we have this as y size as 300. The length, default length, but here we're having 27. Yes, we have here 387. I will confirm that 387. We say 1. We can do 1. This is where you change it to 1. We're good. So you say okay. So with this, you insert success and you say okay. So this is how you do for all of them. So I hope it's explained everything. So I won't do all of them. It's the same thing. I won't do all of them, but typically the same. So this is where you can do for all. It will be 1 Then the sample I sent to you is how you do it. The way after you've done all your PyCap, you connect with tie beams all around. Then you do your top slab. That is how you do for your Pi design. So I hope this explains it. If you still have any other question, please feel free to call on me. I will respond. Thanks.